What's up, Fun Nation? I'm Emilio, and today I'm out here at Regional Monterrey with Team 3478 LamBot and the robot Bocho. LamBot in 2025 made a historic first by becoming the first ever Mexican team to reach the Einstein Field. And today, in 2026, they seek to build on this groundbreaking success with their new robot featuring a unique washing machine-style indexer and shoot-on-the-move capabilities. Today I'm out here with Erica, Hermione, Jime, and Bocho, who will give us a deep dive into their new machine right here on Behind the Bumpers.
Okay, so first we have a server drivetrain with 4 MK4 IL2 plus modules, each one being powered by a Kraken X44 and a Kraken X60 motor. The chassis has different structure to hold on the hopper and the entire structure of the robot to keep it in place and keep it stable. Then we have it's like a rotative intake, but it's also could be called a slap-down intake. It is powered by a custom gearbox and with a 25 chain and a Kraken X60. This intake has 2 rollers. The first one being the one which touches the fuels to get them inside the hopper, and then the second one, which is a bit down here, which is a kicker, which helps the fuels to get faster and smoother to the hopper. Talking about it, the hopper is extensible. At the beginning of the match, the intake goes down and it helps expand the hopper. Then at the end, it goes back to its original place thanks to these rubber bands attached to the structure of the robot. Finally, we have different 3D printed pieces which help make the hopper stable and don't like dribble once it goes back to its original place.
Before we get to our next segment, we'd like to thank the following. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by FRC alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com. For over 100 years, Kettering University has offered a better education because from day one, that education has been built on hands-on, co-op learning. Kettering's impressive alumni network includes founders, presidents, CEOs, and frontrunners who have a reputation for transforming industries with their resolute leadership. Apply today at kettering.edu/first.
Okay, next, the fuel goes up to our indexer, which is this base. It has 2 carbon fiber plates that help it go over to our elevator. These are 3D printed models that help the trajectory of the fuel. And we chose this design because in that way the fuel doesn't overgo here, so it doesn't get too in the way of the elevator. Then our indexer is powered with a Talon FX. It's a X60 Kraken, and it goes over to a sprocket and a chain, and it also has this vertical roller which is powered with a 90-degree gearbox. And then the fuel goes over here to our elevator. We have 2 2.5 millimeter wheels, and here our fuel goes up over here with these 2 rollers. We have three wheels over here and only two over here, and then it goes up over here. Then this is our shooter. It is a turret which has a 3D printed gear over here, and this one is made out of Lexan. We have here, it rotates 400 degrees, 200 to one side and 200 to the other side, and it has 2 Kraken X60 motors and an X44, which is the one that helps with this, which is our and this helps with the angle of our shooter. Then we have also wheels over here, which these ones are 3-inch wheels, and we have here the flywheels that help with the inertia and the speed of the shooting. And here we have some guides for the fuel to just follow the track more efficiently. And then here we have our hidden electrical chain, which is under here. If we flip it this way, it'll show, and it's like hidden over here. This helps with space, and it's overall it's more efficient. And yeah, that's our mechanisms.
Okay, now I'm going to explain you one of the main concepts that is very important for coding, that it is the vision. So the vision technically helps us to locate the robot on the main field, and with all this we can make our shooter that points exactly to the hub while it is moving, or neither it is completely on the same place. But this also helps us to know how it is located, and we can know this. If you are asking how, we have the field divided in zones, exactly 14 zones, one for shooting, one for eating, and one that is for the hub, trench, and the bump. With all this, when the robot is located in the shoot zone, we can know where exactly point the turret is going to be. For example, if the robot is going to be at the shooting zone, the turret automaticized is going to locate, so all the field is going to enter to the hub automatically without the driver needing to press any button. Also, for the hood, it is completely automatized, so this always helps us to make our code very simplified, and the drivers can be more easy for them to play a match.
Another very cool thing on our software is this turret shooter. Basically, with the ability, like Jimena said, we can compare the current position of the turret with the position of the hub, and we have a little compensation for the robot's velocity. This allows us to have very precise shoot on the move, and it has been very reliable in this whole competition. Basically, we take the current robot's velocity and the time in seconds that the fuel will take from intaking into the robot to shooting into the hub. Another very cool feature in this robot's code is we implemented a simulator. This has saved us a lot of time because we have used it to validate and check that everything in the code logic and just that everything is working fine. This made us save like a lot of time because we could check everything in software like autonomous routines and the whole teleop sequence even before the robot was even finished by mechanical team.
Okay, team, thank you so much for taking the time to show off your robot to us. It's an amazing creation, and we wish you the best of luck this weekend in Monterrey and in the rest of our season. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. For over 100 years, Kettering University has offered a better education because from day one, that education has been built on hands-on, co-op learning. Kettering's impressive alumni network includes founders, presidents, CEOs, and frontrunners who have a reputation for transforming industries with their resolute leadership. Apply today at kettering.edu/first. It isn't too late to order competition apparel for your team at FRC Tees. Founded by First alumni and offering a free 14-day turnaround with expedited options available, go to frctees.com to see why hundreds of teams are making FRC Tees their first choice for their apparel needs. That's frctees.com.